Hey, Financial Freedom Nation, welcome back. Brad here. So today I want to talk about 3 tips to grow your YouTube channel. So I've been thinking a lot about marketing lately. How to get in front of people with whatever you're selling, with your message. And I've been following Gary Vaynerchuk. He's incredible. And I've really been soaking up what he's been talking about. How do you get in front of people? How do you market to people? How do you get people to know who you are and what you're selling? You really have to know where their attention is. Where are people's attention? Well, it's on their phones, quite frankly. I'm looking at my phone right now as I'm recording this video. People are tethered to their phones. They're looking at YouTube, they're looking at Facebook, and they're looking at Instagram. These are the 3 platforms that are absolutely exploding right now. And the really cool thing about these platforms is it's still fairly early in the game for these platforms. I was hearing Gary talk the other day. He said Amazon was built on the back of Google AdWords. Back 2004, 2005, Google AdWords were super cheap. It was really cheap to advertise on Google, right? So Amazon was just pouring a ton of money into getting in front of people on Google search. And they exploded their business because they got in when Google AdWords were cheap, right? We're seeing the same thing today on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. I'm talking about YouTube now because that's really where I'm focused. And I just want to share, advertising on YouTube is super cheap right now. So I can get in front of, I can pay, let's see, 1 cent for a view, right? And a view means somebody watches my video for at least 30 seconds, if it's a video longer than 30 seconds. So I can get in front of people. If they leave before 30 seconds is up, that's free exposure. I don't pay for that view. So it's incredibly cheap to get people's attention on YouTube these days. So in this video, I want to give 3 tips for how to grow your YouTube channel. So the first one is, be relevant. What are people looking for? What kind of information are people searching for? If you're in the information business, if you're in the entertainment business, it's a different thing. But I'm in the information business. So one way to do that, if you go into your YouTube search bar and you search, investing in real estate, it'll pop down a whole menu of what people are searching for related to investing in real estate, right? So investing in real estate for beginners is one of them. So you can take that keyword and you can optimize your video for that keyword. You can make that your title. You can talk about how to get into real estate investing for beginners. So that's a great way to find keywords that people are searching for. On YouTube, it just pops down what people are searching for in the order of how many people are searching for those things. So it makes it super simple. So that's the first way. Make content around what people are already searching for. The second tip I want to give, create consistent content. Create content every day, ideally. The more content you put out, the more you're engaging with your community, the more YouTube likes you, the more they want to promote your content. Because YouTube loves creators that engage the community. They want to promote people who are going to keep people watching videos. They want to keep people in the YouTube ecosystem. So, these creators that are putting out content every day, YouTube is like, here, watch these people and keep coming back to them because we know they're going to keep putting out content. We want to promote them because those are our brand ambassadors. Those are the people who are going to keep people here watching. YouTube, the most important thing to them is that people are on the platform watching videos on the platform. That's how YouTube makes money. That's how it grows. So, figure out what people are searching for, create content around that. Second, create content consistently. And not only that, engage your community. When people leave comments, respond to them, engage them, answer their questions, like make them feel like they're part of something, like a tribe, like a community. That's super important, guys. And then the last thing, the third tip for growing your channel on YouTube is really take a little bit of time with each video upload and really optimize. Help people find that video. So that's using keywords in your title. That's when you name your video before you upload it to YouTube, name it related to the keyword that the video is about. Because YouTube actually looks at that. What is the native file name of the video that you're uploading? Description. So one tip, if you have a video that's less than 3 minutes, you can have that transcribed and put the transcript in the video description, right? Because then you've got all of those things that you're talking about in your video, all of those keywords are going to be there in the video description. It's going to make it super easy for YouTube to link, people who are searching for content related to your video with your video. And then, on your thumbnail, the picture. So when people search, all the videos pop up, that picture. Put keywords in, directly on that image, on that thumbnail, so that people are compelled to click. Oh, yeah, this video must really be about what I'm searching for because it's right there on the picture. So optimize your thumbnails, your title, your native video file name, description. Really make it clear what the video is about in the description. And don't be afraid to use up quite a bit of text in the description. I think there's you can type in 3,000 characters or something in that description. Most people only put in a sentence or two. And then tags. Tags is the last one I want to talk about. So tags are really the keywords, right? Like, what is this video about? You can also do a search for a similar, basically search the title of your video in YouTube, find out what other content creators are ranking high for that keyword. And you can put those in your tags as well. So people know, this content creator is putting out videos similar to this content creator. Like, for example, I'm focusing a lot on multifamily investing, multifamily real estate investing in apartments, multifamily properties, things like that. And I know Grant Cardone is a huge player in that space. And so whenever I do a video about multifamily investing, I tag Grant Cardone. So people watching Grant Cardone's videos, eventually I'm going to pop up as a recommended content creator similar to Grant Cardone, because I've got all those tags. YouTube realizes, I'm producing content similar to Grant Cardone, so YouTube's going to recommend my videos to people who are watching his content. So that's it, guys. 3 things: create relevant content, create content consistently. Like, be patient. This is a long-term game. Gary Vaynerchuk, when somebody calls in and they say, hey, how do I grow my YouTube channel? I've been putting out videos for 2 or 3 months and I'm only at 20 subscribers. I'm just not getting the views. Something's wrong. Gary will come back and he'll say, dude, you need to produce content for 7 to 11 years before people are going to start noticing you. This is a super long-term game, guys. This is not overnight you're going to become a rock star on YouTube. That's not how this game works. The winners are the ones who persevere, create content every day for years and years, right? About the topic that they're passionate about. So they're consistently building that brand over time. And then the third one was, really take the time to optimize, your title, your tags, your video description, your thumbnails. Like really take the time to dial it in, guys. It's really gonna grease the wheels in the long run for growing your YouTube channel. So that's all I wanted to cover, guys. How to grow your YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.